Hey guys, what's up? It's Savannah. So today's video is going to be a weekend in my life vlog. So it's currently Friday and I'm gonna get ready to go to my friend's birthday dinner. Well, I already am ready actually, so I'll show you guys my outfit really quick. Okay, so here's my outfit. My shorts are from Gia. This little tank is from Brandy Melville. My necklaces are from the M Jewelers. This jacket is this like vintage Calvin Klein jacket that my mom used to have when she was young and she gave to me. And then I'm just wearing my platform Doc Martens. So yeah, it's my outfit for the night. So now I'm gonna go and I'll vlog at dinner a little bit. Okay, I'm here with Lindsay, Skylar, Rossi, Sloan, B-Day girl Hannah, her birthday's tomorrow, and Emily. Are we starting? Hi! Just a little like, I think I'm... Sorry, I'm on my phone right now. Hey guys, what's up? So it is now Saturday. It is 1:30 and I'm at my friend's house now, Hannah. It's her birthday today, so I'll take you guys along with me. Okay, I'm at Hannah's house. Birthday girl, happy birthday to you. And Sloan. Oh, no, hide my camera. This is my little OOTD, I guess. So, my blazer's from Urban. This shirt is from Free People. My biker shorts are from Nasty Gal. And then I'm just wearing my Yeezys. And yeah. Look at Hannah's sweatshirt. It's so cute. Like the colors are amazing. We love it. She's afraid of the vlog. So yeah, we're about to take pictures now. Hannah, where's your outfit from? You know, shirt, Savannah. Shirt, Savannah, I'm Gia. Belt,
Princess Polly.
Jeans.
Target.
Oh my god,
really
they're
coming through
so
with the new
cute.
brand.
And
My
Air Forces.
Air Forces.
We love it. Okay, look at how cute this floor is, guys. We love it. Okay, we're gonna take pics now. Wow, it's so cute, but it doesn't match our outfits. But oh, how'd you get up there? I'm gonna say it again. We love an eyeball. And I'm gonna say it one more time. And the sculpture. Wow, how cute is that? Yeah, I thought this was a real tree. Okay, so we just finished taking pictures and they turned out good. I'll like insert some here. So we're gonna go get some food at this place right by Hannah's house. So we're just walking there.
Before time runs out.
Oh my gosh, happy birthday to Hannah! How cute! We love it. Okay, so we just got back from eating and it was really good. We just had like a skillet cookie and we're just chilling now. Okay, we're leaving. I'm taking Sloan home and bye Hannah. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
We love a good rip in our pants. I'm so putting that in. Okay, bye guys. Have a nice time. Okay, so I just got home from Hannah's house and I got a few packages in the mail. So I'm gonna do like a mini haul for you guys and open these up. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys what I got now. So first from Gia, I just got one shirt. It's just this little orange, neon orange crop top. And then it has like some slits in it. And then the back looks like this. And it has like purple on it. And I think orange and purple look super good together. So I love this. It's like super neon orange. So next from Urban, I just got 3 things. These just like came in 2 different packages. So the first thing I got from Urban is this little white tank top. It's like one shoulder like the one shoulder type thing going on, and it looks like it's in the middle, but it's like off the shoulder. I don't know, it just like looks weird, but it's just like this little one shoulder top. It has like this little design. I don't know like what it is, but I thought it was really cute and would be perfect for summer. And then next thing from Urban is this little like neon pink sweatshirt type thing. You can tell I'm obsessed with neon, obviously. So it's just like this little cropped sweatshirt, and yeah, it's like a weird material. It's kind of like waffle knit type thing. And then last thing from Urban is my favorite thing. It's so cute. It is this little red leopard top, and this says matching item available. So I'm not sure like if this was like a set or something or what, but it's just this little cropped leopard shirt, and yeah, it's so cute. I love this. I might wear this tonight actually, because me and Tanner are going to a movie. We're gonna see the Pet Cemetery, so it's gonna be really scary. But yeah, we're gonna go to that at 7 o'clock, so he's gonna come over right now and we're just gonna chill until then. So yeah, good morning guys. So it is now Sunday morning, and I'm gonna go out to brunch with my family, my grandparents. So I'll show you guys my outfit quick. So my jeans are from Urban. My little shirt, I was wearing the same shirt yesterday, but this is from Free People. And then this blazer is from Pretty Little Thing. It's like a little cropped blazer. And then my necklaces are from the M Jewelers, and then these hoops are from Urban. I'm not sure about these ones, I can't really remember. But yeah, that's the fit.